get all three of them
Yes.
and have
Paano pag
one
labas
guy
ko na si
come here.
Paco?
And the Paco guy.
Feeling lang.
They don't kind of like. We don't
Hindi
kind
pa
of
lang
like.
paglabas nun si Paco. Hindi pa lang kay Paco.
Oh.
Feeling ko kaya ni ate. I don't know. Ikaw pa nang ganagan kay Paco.
Yeah, but
Bakit?
He has his own way, no?
Bawalan
something like-
din sa akin.
It's hard to.
It's no, you get in the fight. So.
Oo, kaya ko siya.
Kigo, you got.
Look, kaya ko naman din. Ayaw ko naman mag-away.
Oo, kaya ko siya.
No.
Kaya siyang bilay.
First day, ayaw din kaya sila ni TV.
Are you sure he's still here? He's probably gone already.
I don't know.
Is he?
He's the leader of the other pack.
Paco?
Yes.
Yeah,
pack leader.
definitely. Si Paco?
Is that a bird? No.
Pack leader.
Ano ba siya nun?
Best friend niya yun eh. Hindi ko alam. Ito si Jazz, ang plastic. Best friend daw. Pagdating dito.
Oo, close kami, pero kung yung kasama sa bahay, hindi siya okay kasama. Marami siya
Plastic, best friend daw.
marami siya contribute pero
Yeah, he's smart though.
mas,
He's smart.
mas okay siya pag friend lang,
Dahil
kaibigan.
sana kumuha ka doon ng creamer.
Creamer?
Probably
Sa
okay.
bahay.
What creamer? Oh, get the creamer from the other house. For my tongue? Yeah.
Sarap na, no?
Isa!
Si Jazz sana kinuha natin para may sugar tayo at cream.
Hindi nga eh. Dapat si
Para
Carlo.
pumunta ka doon, kinuha mo muna yung creamer nila, at bumalik ka.
Umalis na. I'm not afraid anymore. I want to go home.
That's really bad.
Crazy.
You don't. Ay,
Ikaw rin yung cut creamer real quick. Go get their food and bring it back.
Yeah.
Sabihin mo na go there, kunin yung pagkain nila.
Come on.
Tamang magbibisita ka.
Why? You,
Kulang na kami. Palitan na naman kayo.
you're just gonna
Ako naman another bisita.
Sabotage.
Sabotage it.
I knew, but you're
Oh, you should
scared
ask
already.
Kuya. Go over there and sabotage them.
I want to go
I think
home.
that one night you have a task. You infiltrate
In a good way.
Let me go there and infiltrate
It's like Mario
Philippines.
now.
Let me infiltrate the Filipinos. Kumusta kayo lahat?
Oh.
Stand up.
Di ba kasi the past seasons, di ba parang may ibang tao din, may ibang tao din.
If you think you're useless, then you're
It's like,
useless.
wow.
If you think you're
O doon last season, parang may
useful,
I'm useful in
then you're
Pero
useful.
hindi na talagang pag-aawayan nyo yung Batman.
Yeah.
Parang ano lang, parang
That's what we do.
game lang. Go clubbing.
Hindi, pero ngayon, di ba,
at a
it's
club,
hati ng tour, di ba, sabi ni
cigarette,
Kuya, and then may big
drinking
winner pa. Cheers! It's big ngayon.
Or sa Tagalog
Ano
mo.
lang
yun? Maybe, ano lang yun? Magtatawag po
For the tour lang.
After 10 weeks lang.
After 10 weeks, sasabihin natin.
Iba pa yung price na hindi talaga naliliin.
Sasabihin natin, get away with it. Sabihin natin, may 1 million dito, may 500,000 doon. So yung 1 million, paghati. Pero yung hindi 1.5.
Ilan naman natitira mo? Natitira din apat.
Suck it.
Dapat dito.
Sis.